Hey, what's up, tech fam? Remember the days when phone was just another word for Nokia? We're talking about that legendary, brick-strong reliability that the whole world respected. Fast forward to today's crowded smartphone market, and honestly, it's easy to get lost in the noise. But hold on to your seats, because the legend is making a massive comeback. If you've been waiting for a mid-budget beast that's ready to give the big brands a run for their money, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down Nokia's latest masterstroke, a phone that might just be giving Apple and Samsung some serious night sweats. Meet the Nokia X600 Ultra 5G. We're diving deep into the leaked specs that are positioning this as the ultimate game changer of 2026. Let's get into it. The display. First things first, the face of the phone. The display on the Nokia X600 Ultra is designed to transport you to another dimension. We're looking at a massive 6.85-inch QHD plus LTPO OLED panel. But this isn't your run-of-the-mill screen. This is a 2K resolution powerhouse. Whether you're binging Netflix or editing photos, every pixel is so sharp you'll feel like you're looking through a window. For the gamers, you get a buttery-smooth 144Hz refresh rate and a 410Hz touch sampling rate. It's virtually bezel-less with a lightning-fast in-display fingerprint sensor. It's sleek, futuristic, and has that premium it factor the second you pick it up. The camera. Okay, everyone stop what you're doing and listen to this, because Nokia just broke the internet. They've gone absolutely nuclear on the camera setup. We're talking about a quad camera system featuring a primary sensor that sounds like science fiction, 300 megapixels. You heard that right, a 300 megapixel monster. Along with that, you get a 50 megapixel ultra-wide, a 48 megapixel telephoto lens, and an 8 megapixel macro sensor. Whether you're snapping a mountain range miles away or a tiny butterfly in your backyard, the detail is so insane your professional DSLR might start feeling a little insecure. And for the selfie squad, a 64 megapixel front camera that makes every shot look like a high-end magazine cover. Performance. Now, you can't run a 300 megapixel camera and a 2K screen with a weak engine. That's why Nokia packed in the most powerful chipset on the planet, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6. This processor is an absolute unit. Multitasking, 4K video editing, or cranking up the settings on the heaviest AAA mobile games, this phone handles it all like butter, without the lag or the heat. Plus, it's shipping with a clean, bloatware-free Android 17 experience. It's just pure speed and total smoothness. Battery life. Tired of living your life tethered to a wall outlet? The Nokia X600 Ultra is here to set you free with a massive 7500 mAh monster battery. Charge it once and forget about it for 2 full days of heavy use. When you finally do need a top-up, the 125-watt superfast charger in the box takes you from 0 to 100% in about 20 to 25 minutes. Basically, by the time you're done getting ready to head out, your phone is fueled up for the entire day. Price and release date. Now for the million-dollar question. What's this going to cost, and when can you buy it? Despite these flagship-level specs, rumors suggest Nokia is going for a price disruptor strategy. We're looking at an estimated price point around $950. If Nokia hits that target with these features, it's going to be absolute chaos for the competition. While there's no official launch date yet, tech insiders are pointing toward a late 2026 release. So, what do you think? Can Nokia actually take down the giants like Samsung and Apple with this new beast? Which feature impressed you the most? Drop a comment below. I want to hear your thoughts.